So you're wondering, Emeka, what's a catalog audit? A catalog audit is going through your entire catalog and figuring out what are the books that are going to make me the most money this holiday season. That's it. Which are the ones I want to spend the most time on, the most money on, the most focus with? And you will always have a couple books that will surprise you that will just start selling, even though they've done nothing for like 2 years. They'll just start selling. Every Q4, I have books like that just surprise me. And they're like, oh, hey, you're alive. Welcome to the party. Better late than never. But you should know the books that are like, all right, these are the ones I'm going to be focusing on. Look, going into Q4, especially as you get into October, November, December, the biggest tip I can give you is focus on your money makers and let everything else do whatever the hell it's going to do. And when I mean that, I mean like, and especially for you newbies, some of you are only going to have one book that's like really doing well. Forget every other book you have in your portfolio and only focus 100% of your energy on that one book that's making you all the money. Because that one book is going to make like 5 times the amount that the rest of your portfolio combined is going to make if you give it enough energy, if you give it enough focus. And, some of you new, more experienced publishers, that's going to be like, you'll have like 5 to 15, maybe 20, 20 might be stretching it, but you'll have like a small percentage of book, right? It's the Pareto principle, like 80-20, 20% of your books are going to produce 80% of your income for Q4. That's just standard rule of how it's going to happen. For me, last year, you saw it was like 74 books or so I think I have published. 5 or 6 of them produced exactly. It was probably close to like 90% of the income, which is solid. And those were the 5 or 6 that got all of my focus, right? I ran the most ads with them. I gave them the most attention. I made the tweaks to them. They were getting everything. And then during this catalog audit, you have to figure out what's your book multiplier. So what's a book multiplier? A book multiplier is a book that will spike during the holiday season. We all have one. And you want to identify that one the best that you can. What is the book in my catalog right now that has the best chance of blowing up over the holiday season? So the typical ones are anything kids related, right? Coloring books, journals, like low content stuff. It's the one time you guys make money. Health and fitness, right? Your Q4 is January, February. So like November, December is like all right, but January, February is where you just take home everything, especially because Amazon slows down. So you guys are just racking it in then. But being aware of like, what are the books that are probably going to make the most amount of money during the holiday because they're more holiday focused?